Are you struggling to land your first role in the Salesforce ecosystem? Are you confused by the thousands of online courses that practically offer the same learnings and teachings at different prices without any guarantee for success? If you answered yes, I feel your pain. I've been in your shoes, so I understand what you're going through. My name is Atif. I'm the CTO and co-founder of saasguru. With over 20 years of tech experience, 15 of which has been specifically on project and program management, I've successfully delivered over $100 million worth of programs of work in the Salesforce ecosystem. And what I can tell you from experience is that knowing Salesforce alone or getting certified in Salesforce alone is simply not enough. You need skills like digital transformation techniques, digital consulting, agile ways of working, applying lean principles as part of your business process are all skills that are relevant for you to become a good Salesforce consultant. Over the past 3 or so months, we've interviewed over 700 individuals who are themselves trying to build their journey in the Salesforce ecosystem. And in that process of interviewing at saasguru, what we found is that there are two main reasons why people are unable to build a career in Salesforce. The first reason is they don't have anyone to tell them what are the things that they need to learn, non-Salesforce skills that they need to learn to become a good Salesforce consultant. And two, the cost, if they do know what it is, the cost is so prohibitive that it becomes a barrier for their success. For that reason, at saasguru, we have launched our very first Salesforce Bootcamp program. In this program, we have included things like Salesforce training, Salesforce certification, non-Salesforce skills that you need to become successful, and hands-on experience as part of a Salesforce project. So what are you waiting for? So go to our website and register at saasguru.co, and I look forward to being part of that journey with you.